Let me teach you how to do the air compressor maintenance for the second time. Now you can see the machine state oil time and then you find the menu button. Then find the maintenance parameter. Then you can see all parameters. Now enter the password 3377. Change oil run time to 0. The second line, change oil run time to 0. And change air run time to 0. And change lube run time to 0. And you also need to change the air core filter limited time to the 2000 next time. And then everything is fine. Then you can return back. Then we finish the maintenance setting.